Welcome to Statesphere, where we explore the critical issues shaping societies and spark discussions that matter.
Today, we ask a pivotal question. Can Pakistan, a nation rich in cultural, linguistic, and ethnic diversity, achieve true unity? Founded on the basis of religion, Pakistan's journey has been marked by efforts to forge a cohesive national identity amidst its multifaceted society. We'll examine the historical context, the challenges posed by diversity, and the role of leadership in uniting the nation. Pakistan emerged in 1947, carved out of British India as a homeland for Muslims, embodying the two-nation theory. This theory claimed that Muslims and Hindus were distinct nations, each deserving their own sovereign states. However, the new nation encompassed a mosaic of ethnic groups, languages, and cultures, each with its own identity and aspirations. Pakistan's diversity is both a strength and a challenge. The nation is home to multiple ethnic groups, each with its own language, culture, and traditions. While this diversity enriches the national fabric, it also led to tensions and movements seeking greater autonomy or recognition. The question arises, can a national identity based primarily on religion overcome deep-seated culture and ethnic distinctions? Islam was envisioned as the unifying force for Pakistan's diverse populace. The idea was that a shared religious identity would transcend ethnic and linguistic differences, fostering national unity. While Islam remains a central element of Pakistani identity, the interplay between religion and cultural diversity continues to shape the nation's cohesion. The issue of language has been one of the most contentious in Pakistan's history. Urdu was chosen as the national language to promote unity, but it was the mother tongue of only a small fraction of the population. This decision alienated the Bengali-speaking majority in East Pakistan, leading to the Bengali language movement of the 1950s. Protests against the imposition of Urdu escalated, culminating in the tragic killings of demonstrators on February 21, 1952. This date is now commemorated as the National Mother Language Day by UNESCO. The failure to address linguistic and cultural grievances ultimately contributed to the secession of East Pakistan in 1971, resulting in the creation of Bangladesh. This chapter in Pakistan's history serves as a stark reminder of the consequences of neglecting diversity and religious autonomy. Effective leadership plays a crucial role in uniting a diverse nation. Imran Khan, Pakistan's former Prime Minister, is often cited as a contemporary figure who has galvanized support across different regions and demographics. His vision emphasized anti-corruption, social justice, and national pride, resonating with a broad spectrum of the population. However, the sustainability of such unity remains a topic of discussion. Unity is essential for national progress. Without a cohesive national identity, societal divisions can hinder development and allow a select elite to dominate, often to the detriment of the broader population. Bridging cultural divides and fostering a sense of collective identity are imperative for meaningful change and equitable governance in Pakistan. To cultivate unity, Pakistan can consider several approaches, such as inclusive governance, ensuring representation of all ethnic and cultural groups in political processes to foster a sense of belonging and participation. Cultural integration, promoting cultural exchange and understanding to appreciate the richness of diversity while building common national narratives. Educational reforms, implementing curricula that emphasizes national unity, shared history, and the value of diversity. Economic equity, addressing regional disparities to ensure equitable development and reduce feeling of marginalization. Pakistan's history underscores the critical importance of inclusivity, cultural recognition, and equitable governance. From the language debate to the succession of Bangladesh, the challenges of uniting a diverse nation are evident. Moving forward, Pakistan must learn from its past, bridging linguistic and cultural divides, promoting inclusive leadership, and fostering a shared national identity are not just ideals, they are imperative for a united and prosperous future. What do you think Pakistan can do to achieve true unity? Share your thoughts in the comments below.